My fellow Homo sapiens, I want you to close your eyes for just a moment and imagine standing at the base of a towering mountain. Its peak, shrouded in the mist, seems unreachable. Now, open your eyes. That mountain before you is a metaphor for your dreams and the challenges in your life. And I'm here to tell you, the only thing standing between you and the summit of your mountain is whether you choose an excuse or a cause. Let's reflect on a powerful thought. If you have an excuse, nobody can help you. However, if you have a cause, nobody can stop you. This statement isn't just a collection of words. It's a philosophy, a way of life. How many times have we blamed circumstances, time, resources, or fate for not pursuing our dreams? How often have we let excuses dictate the boundaries of our potential? Now ask yourself, what is your cause? What is that burning passion within you that makes you rise every morning with determination? Is it to innovate, to create, to inspire, or perhaps to lead? When you have a cause, a true purpose, it becomes the compass that guides you through life's storms and calms alike. Consider the greatest achievements in history, from monumental inventions to revolutions that reshaped societies. Were they born out of excuses or causes? Did the Wright brothers focus on all the reasons why humans couldn't fly? Or were they driven by the cause to achieve the impossible? Was Nelson Mandela stopped by the countless reasons to give up? Or was his cause for equality and justice stronger than any obstacle? I challenge you today to think about the causes you've embraced. How have they transformed your life? How have they impacted those around you? It's through our causes that we leave a lasting legacy, not our excuses. As we journey through life, let us choose our causes wisely. Let us fuel them with passion, dedication, and an unwavering belief in our ability to make a difference. Remember, when your cause is strong enough, you'll find the way, and you will inspire others to join you on your journey. Lastly, I leave you with a question to ponder and answer below in the comments. What cause is so important to you that you're willing to overcome any excuse to achieve it? Let your answer guide your actions from this day forward, and may it light the path to your own summit. Thank you, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button below and subscribe for more motivational content and sometimes just reasons to laugh. Have a lovely day, and may the universe smile upon us all.